box.
Oh.
Mum, there's my dog.
What's in there?
Oh, what the hell? What is that, Mum?
I don't know. It looks like a present. Maybe it's an early birthday present.
Yeah, lucky.
Maybe. I don't know. Open
What's
it up.
that, Mum?
You better open it and have a look. Are you comfortable?
What's that thing?
Yeah, you have a look. What's in there?
What is that, Mum?
I don't know.
Oh, no way, Mum.
What is it?
Oh, what is that? A cup.
Cup. That's a milkshake maker.
Not a shake.
Yep, you can make
Oh,
milkshakes. Yep. You'll be able to make your own milkshakes like that. Have a look what's in the bag. Have a look what's in there.
What the hell? What is that, Mum?
What is it?
Oh my God, Mum. What is these?
Yeah. That's some ice cream. Chocopolitan. Can't even say it.
Oh my God, Mum.
What's that
Like a
one?
butter.
Did you have to? What's that one? Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Mum. Oh, what is that, Mum?
What else is in there?
Milk.
Some milk, yeah?
What's the milk, Mum? Hold on. Mum, what is that? Mum, what is that?
That's chocolate syrup to make your milkshakes.
Hold on. What is that, Mum?
What is that?
Oh my God, Mum.
Yeah. That's how you can make pink milkshakes.
It's pink.
Yeah.
It's pink milkshake.
All right, we better put this in the freezer, in the fridge, better we, before it melts. You going to make a milkshake later?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God, what the hell's that? Hold on. Oh. Oh, yes.
You got it.
Oh.
Don't be too rough, you might break it.
What is that?
Is that everything out of the box?
Ah.
What's in there? Oh, good work. Alright, you gotta get this plastic off now. I don't know if your little...
Mum, what's that?
Yeah, alright, I'll have that. I don't know if your little scissors will cut this, but you can give it a try. Yeah, you need to cut the cable ties.
Oh.
Get your little scissors. Let's see how good they are. Lay it down like that. And probably cut it that way.
Come on, where are these?
Yeah, just very carefully cut these. About there. Good work.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it. No, you can cut it that way because that's easier. Cut it there. Just try again over here.
Oh, that's doing.
That's alright, you just got to wiggle them a bit. Get them in the right spot. That's it.
Alright.
They worked, didn't they? Put them back up there so you...
Oh.
That's it. Now you got to tip some milk in.
Do that.
Now you got to tip some milk in.
Blood.
You're not going to flick that.
Don't make the milkshake, Mum.
Yeah.
Mum, this is fine to die.
If I... Yeah, no, we need it to die. It's broken. Not all the way. Stop. Stop. That's probably enough. Let me have a look. How much have you got in there? Yeah, that'll probably do. Alright, put some of your chocolate in there. Put some chocolate in. Just a little squeeze. Not too much. Yeah, you can probably do more than that. Doesn't come out very quick, does it? It's kind of good. Give it a good squeeze. Yep. Alright, that'll do. We'll see how that is. Alright. You'll slide it up here and clip it up the top and set it on the black bit at the bottom.
Oh my God.
Hold the machine with your other hand. Is it clipped on? Yeah. Good work. All right, now you got to press the button on. Yeah, it's nearly done.
Just do it on.
Yeah, if you press this again, that way it'll go faster.
Go ahead, no.
You don't want it to go faster?
No.
It might make it a nicer, fluffier milkshake if it goes faster. Press that button.
No.
Make it go faster.
I'm not fast.
Why?
Is it on?
That's how you make milkshake.
No. Put it on.
Yeah. Press it again. Up. Up. Yep.
Right.
No, up.
Right.
Yep.
What the hell, Mom? I'm really cool.
It's a little bit noisy. Not too bad, actually. All right, do you reckon it's ready?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, you're going to get it out? Turn it off.
Hold on.
That's it. Good job. That's all right.
Alright.
Taste test.
Mom.
How's it taste?
Alright, it works.
Is your milkshake getting a thumbs up?
Oh. Mum.
Mm.
Hey.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, we'll clean that. And we've got to put the ice cream and milk away, don't we? Grab the milk. Good job.